Welcome to our presentation, Mental Health with SOQI Products. We will be discussing the importance of mental health, how SOQI products can improve your mental well-being, and a holistic self-care routine to balance your mental health state. Many people suffer from mental health issues. If you find yourself struggling, know that you're not alone. Millions of Americans suffer from mental health problems every year. Our mental health is a key factor for our well-being at every stage in life. Regardless of race, gender, or culture, our mind and body are linked and affect each other's health. Our mental state contributes to our emotions, thoughts, and sensations. Our actions, too, can be influenced by our state of mind. Completing everyday tasks, handling stress, making choices, and relating to others, all these activities are influenced by our mental health. Modern society has introduced many additional stressors into our lives. It's more important than ever to keep our stress levels in check and reflect upon our mental health status. SOQI products are an excellent tool for working on and improving your mental health. Our products have been specifically designed to help balance our blood circulation and meridians, allowing for free flow of energy throughout the body. SOQI achieves powerful results by combining modern technology with traditional wisdom. Let's review the SOQI products best suited to boosting your mental health. Our Chi machine is uniquely calibrated to provide aerobic exercise to the user. This exercise is similar to running, swimming, or Tai Chi, with much less impact on the body. The Chi machine is perfect for those who want the mental health boost of exercise but may not be able to exercise the traditional way. The increased circulation that's caused by the Chi machine can help oxygenate the entire body, which can improve function and in turn improve your mental health. The ceramic heater and the fur pad use the same type of technology, far infrared heat. Our products generate fur heat in a consistent range of 8 to 10 microns. These wavelengths are especially well absorbed by the human body and help increase blood circulation. As oxygen flows through the bloodstream, it helps increase our immunity. Illness and disease put a heavy strain on our body and increase our stress levels. When we avoid stressful situations, we preserve our mental health. The e-power helps boost your mental well-being by assisting in the regulation of the parasympathetic nervous system. Using the e-power can help increase the alpha waves in the brain. Our brain emits powerful alpha waves when we are resting, meditating, or relaxed. When alpha waves are increased, it can help with nervous or negative thoughts that are caused by anxiety or depression. Our number 6 Good Soul essential oil is based on the crown chakra, which is associated with our mind and creativity. Use this essential oil alongside our other products to increase your mental well-being. Now we will discuss a self-care routine that you can do with SOQI products to boost your mental health. For this routine, you will use the Chi machine, ceramic heater, e-power, and our Good Soul essential oil. Here are the steps for our mental health routine. First, you want to use our number 6 Good Soul essential oil. You can disperse 1 to 2 drops on your pillowcase and add 2 to 3 drops to a diffuser. Then you'll use the Chi machine for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day, the ceramic heater for 30 minutes twice a day, and you can also use the fur pad up to 30 minutes twice a day. All of these products together are more effective when we use them at the same time. And the final step is to use the e-power for 30 minutes twice a day. As you can see from the photo, the Chi machine and ceramic heater may be used at the same time for more effective results. Please be advised that the e-power should not be used with any of the other machines. This routine can help improve your mood, your mental health, holistic health, immunity, circulation, and sleep quality. We thank you for watching this video. We hope that the presentation has given you ideas on how to use our products to increase and maintain mental health balance.